Hello everyone, my name is Shambhavi. Hope you all are doing well. So here I am back with one of the most amazing internships by one of the very nice MNCs, that is your Goldman Sachs. We all know about this particular company a lot. So Goldman Sachs has recently put down their analysis internship for 2023 summer. Okay. Now this is gonna be in basically it is going to be your internship which is going to be offline, so it is located in Bengaluru. Okay, people with MBA finance or data analytics can apply for this internship, right? What is the application deadline? Still you have 8 days, so this application is going to expire on 28th of February. You can apply before that. So what should be the eligibility can be, you can be a graduate, you can be an MBA student, or you can be an undergraduate too. So this is the eligibility about the same. If we talk about the internship a little bit, what is it all about and everything. So the responsibilities of the intern will be into the Summer Analysis Internship. This was a sort of a 8 to 10 week summer internship for undergraduate students, right? So you'll be fully completely immersed into the one-to-one everyday activities, right? As a participant, what do you have to do? You have to attend the orientations. We'll be learning about the culture of the company, as well as what are the benefits, responsibilities of being a member of this particular firm, right? You'll be receiving the training designed to help you succeed, right? You'll be having the opportunity to work on real responsibilities alongside fellow interns and our people. These are what all will be the responsibilities of the intern, means you who will be going over there. What are the requirements? Requirement is that currently candidates should pursue a college or university degree, right? And they might be usually undertaken it during the second penultimate year of study, means you should be greater than second year of your college. Okay, nothing sort of experience or prior experience is required, nothing like that is at all required. If you don't have also, then good, you can apply for the same. Okay, important date and the deadlines. It is the application is gonna end up on 28 February 23 at 11:59 p.m. IST. So you can just before that you can apply for this particular internship. You can go ahead and apply for the same according to your interest. Okay, what are the additional information? The job location is Bengaluru. Salary is not disclosed. Job type is in the office, and the full-time work details are your 6 working days. So this is all about this particular internship. If you have enjoyed this video, do share this video with your friends. Do subscribe to my channel and do not forget to share this video. This is all for this video. Till then, thank you and take care.